Usaba ka sa mga hilig mangita'g next travel destination pinaagi sa internet o usaba ka sa mga negosyante nga buot mailhan ang tourist spot sa publiko. Pwes apil na sa umaabot nga Philippine Digital Travel Fair sa Department of Tourism o DOT. Ilusad ang maong travel fair karong Agosto hangtod Disyembre niining tuiga. Diin makita ang nagkadaiyang hotels, resorts, travel agencies, tour operators ug airlines.
For Malaysia market to come to Philippines is in October, followed by Singapore. August is the Malaysia. Malaysia to Philippines is August, and followed by October will be Singapore to Philippines, and December will be from Hong Kong to Philippines.
Gawas nga ikalipay sa mga bakasyonista ang mga promos nga itanyag sa maong travel fair, matod sa DOT7, dako sa bugi katabang ang plataporma sa mga gagmayng magpapatigayon nga nagdaginot sa ilang budget apan nagtinguha nga magpasigarbo sa ilang mga tourism business sa tibuok kalibutan.
For the Department of Tourism, this is a good platform for our stakeholders to take advantage, especially on marketing and promoting their properties, their services, and activities. Now, because everybody right now, diba, travel is already, tourism was already taking its revenge, revenge travel na ta. We also have a lot of interest already, not only from people going to the Philippines or coming to the Philippines, but we also have Filipinos wanting to travel abroad, after being cooped up for more than 2 years. Now for us, whether you attend physically or a digital travel fair, this is a good way to take advantage, especially sa mga stakeholders, to promote and market and of course take back the losses that they incurred during the pandemic.
Kauban si Erwin Yubal, kini si Jairah Camello, USJR Com intern alang sa My TV Cebu.